Alright, hopefully you guys enjoy this. This is a little bit of rain. I'm going to let that play with a little bit and then we'll get right back. Okay, the big thing is, this is just outside of Pittsburgh, and as you can tell, it started raining, so I decided, hey, let's go ahead and film this. I hadn't filmed much of the ride for the simple fact of highway rides I really don't get off on filming that much, and they're really boring and hard to get good audio. And because of the on and off rain all day, I decided, I'm not going to push any audio on this. I'm just going to capture the rain and such, if it rains or the highway, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and get some more music going so that it is more enjoyable. There's some more coming up, so let's see it. Now, as I'm approaching the tunnel, I noticed this small bike coming up, and I was like, okay, that's pretty small of a bike from the highway, but hey, to each their own. I hope he enjoys. And then we get in the tunnel, and oh my God, I love going through tunnels. It is so cool. My bike doesn't have as loud of an exhaust as some people do, so it's not as you're going to blow your ears out or something. But it's pretty fun, and it's something to enjoy. Now, when we sit there and we're going through here, you can see the tunnel. I've got it so it appears to be getting closer. I was just trying to do some visuals to make it look more appealing and to have some fun with it. And hopefully you guys enjoy that. And I've got it so you can see the tri-glide for it. So you know, of course, what bike I'm on. I don't know what other bike I'd be riding on a regular basis, but let me know what you think. Alright, this segment is just after the tunnel, and it's kind of cool because you're going downhill. So I was barely having to use the power. I just, let momentum get me, and it'll get me down there pretty quick. I've just got to watch out for traffic and stay somewhat safe. I've sped this up so that you can see how fun it is going down these hills. Compared to a lot of my regular day traffic, this is nothing. It's a little fun. And if you've ever gone through the Ohio or the Pennsylvania Turnpike, I should say, because it's Pennsylvania, you're going to see traffic like this. This is nothing. Just make sure that you're paying attention to everybody around you and keep yourself and the people around you safe. Have some fun. If you happen to be filming, go ahead and film it. Show us what you got. Breezewood, and we're headed down the hill. And traffic is just nuts. And I'm sitting there going, come on, guys, I'm gonna get by, and we're gonna see what happens here. And it's nothing major, but it's like, people, please just get out of the way. Let's get going. So we'll see. One reason I was saying that, I mean, I've been driving for about 8 hours at this point for that day. I was tired. I wanted to get home, and the road kept having all these left lane, right lane closures, and all of a sudden bugs started coming out of nowhere. The thing I love with this particular point of this road is our lane is about 100 feet above the other, so you can just look out, and it is just so cool to see the side. And we'll play this out with some music. Hopefully you guys enjoy this whole thing. If you've watched to this point, please give me a comment about your views of what kind of roads you like. We can see the other traffic. We know it's there.